I'll begin by folding my paper in half on the diagonal. Unfold and repeat on the other side. Unfold, then fold the bottom corner to the center crease. Then I'll unfold and rotate the paper around. I'll bring the bottom corner all the way to that previous crease I've just made. Then using the bottom edge, I'll fold this over. I'll fold the sides towards the middle, although I'll leave a gap so I can see the middle of the body. Now I'll flip over and fold the sides in towards the middle. Flip back to the other side and make a mountain fold to finish. Happy folding and have fun! Hey again, thanks for watching this video. I have so much fun making all this content for you. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you're on the lookout for origami paper, click the link down below. See you around soon.